Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the camera on your Lenovo Yoga C340, you will need a few essential tools. Gather the following: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage to your laptop components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws organized as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Be patient during this step to ensure you don't break any components. With the back cover removed, locate the camera module, which is usually situated near the top of the laptop's display. Before proceeding, ensure there's no residual power in the device. If you're unsure about the condition of your laptop, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, disconnect the camera's cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be cautious not to pull on the wires themselves, as this could cause damage. Once the cable is disconnected, you will see screws securing the camera in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and carefully lift the camera out of its housing. Before installing the new camera, take a moment to clean the area where the old camera was located. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris to ensure a clear line of sight for the new camera. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process simple and hassle-free. Now, take the new camera module and carefully align it in the housing. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once it's firmly in place, reconnect the camera cable to the motherboard, making sure it's seated properly. This connection is crucial for the camera to function correctly. After the new camera is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back cover back onto the chassis and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga C340 and test the new camera. Open your camera application to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, or if you prefer a professional to handle the repair, remember we provide a quote before repair and you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel by letting us take care of everything for you. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the camera on your Lenovo Yoga C340. With the right tools and a little patience, this process can be completed in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.